Are you tired of repeating yourself 10 times only to end up yelling at your kids just so they listen? I understand more than you know. But research shows that constant yelling can harm your kids' self-esteem, develop behavioral problems, and even affect mental health. There is a tried and tested way to get your kids to listen the first time without raising your voice. In today's video, I am sharing a simple method that works in everyday moments. So you can stop yelling and get the kids to listen the first time and work with you. And stick around to the end because the most powerful technique, the one that feels almost like magic, comes at the very end. Hi, I'm Nora and welcome to Mosaic of Motherhood. As a mom of 15 years raising kids in a neurodiverse household, I have seen firsthand why some approaches fail and simple ones that actually work. Before I dive in, let's quickly talk about what's really happening in your child's brain when you raise your voice. When we yell, kids go into panic mode. They stop listening completely and start defending themselves instead. They become defensive, tune out, or sometimes even get more defiant. Let me paint a picture. It's 8 a.m. already. You are running late. You've asked 3 times for shoes and backpack. Your child is still playing around. Your voice gets sharper. I said, get ready now. And suddenly they are in tears, arguing or dragging their feet while you watch the clock tick down. Over time, this damages their self-esteem. Plus, they learn that people only listen when someone gets loud. Not exactly the lesson we want to teach. Good news is there is a better way that actually strengthens your connection while getting cooperation. Most parenting advice jumps straight to discipline tactics without addressing the foundation. Here's what actually works. Spend quality time with them and really listen when they speak. So, spend just 20 minutes a day doing something your child wants to do. During this time, no teaching, no correcting, no questions. Just pure connection. This fills their connection bucket so they are more likely to cooperate later. Active listening. When your child speaks, really hear them. If your 10-year-old comes home and says, I hate maths class, instead of jumping to solutions, which is what I used to do, try repeating back what they said. Sounds like your maths class is really frustrating for you right now. Then pause. Watch what happens. Often, they'll share more. Yeah, everyone else gets it faster than me. I feel stupid. Now you understand the real issue isn't maths. It's the feeling of being left behind. By actively listening, you open communication and increase connection. You can still set boundaries, but children are more likely to accept them when they feel heard first. If you are finding this helpful so far, I'd appreciate if you'd subscribe and tap that like button so this video can reach to more parents who need it. So now let's dive into the specific steps that gets kids to listen the first time. First thing you need to do is crouch down to their level to connect. Standing over them can trigger panic mode when they completely ignore you. Touch their shoulder gently, call their name, and wait for eye contact. Then, one clear instruction at a time. Next, your tone sets the mood. Calm doesn't mean weak. It means controlled and confident. Get specific with clear, simple instructions. Instead of clean your room, say put your books on the shelf. Break big tasks into small, specific steps. For younger kids, you can turn instructions into a game. Let's see who can put their shoes on faster. Next, offer them choices. Give them a sense of control. Instead of do your homework now, try, would you like to do maths first or reading? They still get the work done, but now it feels like it's their choice, not a command or a chore. Finally, use natural consequences. Stay calm. If they don't put their toys away, the toys go in timeout for the day. Let the consequence do the teaching. And now for that secret weapon, the powerful technique I had promised. The 5-second pause. After you give an instruction, silently count to 5 in your head before repeating or reacting. Children's brains, even teenagers, need time to process. Most parents repeat after 1 or 2 seconds. Too fast. This pause often changes tension into cooperation. And here's the bonus. When they do listen, give them specific praise. Instead of good job cleaning, say, wow, you put all the toys in the bin and made space to walk. Remember, this isn't about perfect kids. It's about building connection and cooperation that makes life easier for everyone. So, which strategy will you try first? Comment below. You might help another exhausted parent today. If this was helpful, please subscribe for more practical parenting strategies that actually work in real life. You've got this, and I'm here with you.